Welcome back to Explore World channel once again with one more beautiful experience of an amazing place called Melukote. Nestled in the town of Melukote, Subbanna Mess is a legendary eatery that has been delighting visitors for generations. Renowned for its authentic and delectable South Indian cuisine, this humble mess is a must visit for anyone traveling to Melukote. Subbanna Mess offers an authentic dining experience. The rustic interiors, simple seating arrangements, and the aroma of freshly prepared food create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The mess retains its old world charm, reflecting the cultural heritage of Melukote. The highlight of Subbanna Mess is undoubtedly its famous Puliyogare. This tamarind rice dish, known for its tangy and spicy flavor, is prepared using a traditional recipe passed down through the generations. The secret lies in the meticulous preparation of tamarind paste, which is mixed with the cooked rice and blend of aromatic spices, peanuts and curry leaves. Each bite is a burst of flavors, making it a favorite among locals and tourists alike. While Puliyogare is the star dish, Subbanna Mess offers a variety of other traditional South Indian delicacies, from crispy dosa to powerful ಬಿಸಿಬೇಳೆ ಬಾತ್.
ಇದು 100 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಹೋಟ್ಲು ಶುರುವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಮುಂದುವರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೋಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಂಡಿ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಪೊಂಗಲು, ಬೆಲ್ಲದ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಪೊಂಗಲು, ಕ್ಷೀರಾನ್ನ, ಪುಳಿಯೋರೆ ಊಟ, ಪುಡಿಗಳು, ಗೊಜ್ಜು, ಪುಳಿಯೋರೆ ಗೊಜ್ಜುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಫೇಮಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ.
ನಾವು ಫೇಮಸ್ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಜನಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ,
ಸುಮಾರು ಕಡೆ, ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು, ಆಂಧ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
After having amazing breakfast, it's time to visit most famous place for shooting many movies. Melukote is located approximately 150 kilometers from Bengaluru, making it a perfect destination for a day trip or a weekend getaway. The journey takes around 3 to 4 hours by road depending on the traffic. Melukote, also known as Tirunarayanapuram, is a historical town with a rich cultural and religious heritage. It is renowned for the Cheluvanarayana Swamy temple, a significant pilgrimage site for Vaishnavites. The temple, perched on a hilltop, offers a stunning view of the surrounding area and is a testament to the town's architectural brilliance. One of the most iconic landmarks in the Melukote is these 4 majestic pillars. They are part of Raya Gopura, an unfinished entrance tower of the Cheluvanarayana Swamy temple. These pillars have not only historical significance but also cinematic appeal. Many popular movies have been featured scenes shot here, taking advantage of pillars' grandeur and the serene backdrop. The 4 pillars, part of Raya Gopura at Melukote, stands as silent sentinels to the town's rich historical and architectural heritage. These pillars are reminders of an unfinished entrance tower of the Cheluvanarayana Swamy temple, dating back to Vijayanagara Empire. The construction of Raya Gopura was initiated under the patronage of Vijayanagara kings, who were known for their grand architectural projects. Each pillar is a masterpiece of intricate craftsmanship, showcasing the artistic excellence of the period. The carvings on the pillars are elaborate and detailed, depicting various mythological stories, divine figures, and scenes from Hindu epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. You can find representations of gods and goddesses, warriors, dancers, animals, all carved on the remarkable precision and skill. The carvings also tell stories of mythological significance, portraying the avatars of Vishnu, the adventures of Lord Krishna, and various other deities. These narratives are not just artistic expressions, but also serve as medium for imparting religious and moral teachings to the devotees and visitors. Apart from mythological depictions, the pillars feature a variety of symbolic elements such as lotus motifs, floral patterns, and geometric designs. These elements hold deep spiritual meanings and are often associated with prosperity, purity, and cosmos in Hindu philosophy. The four pillars are not merely architectural structures but also historical artifacts that offer a glimpse into the grandeur of Vijayanagara Empire. The unfinished nature of Raya Gopura adds an element of mystery, sparking curiosity about the historical events that led to its incompletion. Despite being unfinished, the pillars have withstood the test of time, standing as a testament to the engineering prowess and artistic vision of the era. Over the years, these pillars have gained cinematic fame, becoming a favored location for filmmakers. The grandeur and timeless beauty of the pillars have been captured in numerous movies, adding to their allure and attracting tourists and film enthusiasts from far and wide. But Melukote is more than just a filming location. It's a place where history and spirituality come together. The town's significance dates back to 12th century when it was established by the great philosopher and theologian Ramanujacharya. The Cheluvanarayana Swamy temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and attracts thousands of devotees every year. The four pillars at Melukote are more than just architectural remnants, they are a bridge to the past, a canvas of divine art, and a source of inspiration and wonder. Whether you are a history buff or an art lover or a spiritual seeker, these pillars offer profound and enriching experience that captures the essence of Melukote's cultural heritage.